Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about a problem of reverse linked list recursively. So we have a linked list 1, 2, 3, 4. And how can we reverse the linked list using recursion? So the goal is simple. The original list is 1, 2, 3, 4. And the part of the list is 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, so the ideal is a trusted recursion. Assuming the subproblem is solved, and the recursion has already solved this problem and reversed this subproblem, then the subproblem sublist will be 4, 3, 2. And at this moment, head is still 1. Head done next is still 2. So we just need to move 2 pointing to 1. So we can set head down next is head. And set 1's pointer to now. Let's look at the full implementation in Java. So the base case is if the head is now or head down next is now, we just return the head. So it's like 0 or 1 node. And then we try to reverse the sublist and get the new head. And then relink the current node and break the older link. So head down next, the second node will be connecting to the head. And head down next will be now. And then we'll return the new head. So tracing one node. When the recursion reaches the end of the last node of the list, head will be 4. 4 will be pointed to now. So if head down next is now, will be evaluated as true. So we directly return the head 4 as the new head. So no operation performed on the pointers, and now the unwinding phase begins. Chase 2 nodes. So we already know when we come to the last node, it will just return itself. Now 3 point to 4. So head down next is equals will be set to head. So 4 will be down next will be connecting to 3. And head down next will be set to now. So 3 down next will be now. So it will be 4, 3, now. Return the new head is 4. So the two nodes is also working. So if we go back to this if the subproblem is solved, the whole problem is also solved. So the summary is the base edge case is empty or single node list, and will return the head directly without recursion. Then we try to solve this sublist, and get the reversed sublist. Then we just fix the two links. Head down next will be connecting to head, and head down next will be now. The overall time complexity is O(n), and the space complexity is also O(n) to use call stack.